Dog takes wheel of car, drives into local bakery. In a bizarre turn of events, a mischievous dog manages to get behind the wheel of a car and drives it straight into a local bakery, leaving everyone in shock and the shop in quite a mess. Today's story is truly tail-waggingly hilarious. Imagine this. You're sitting in a bakery, minding your own business, and suddenly, you hear screeching tires and a loud crash. Next thing you know, a car comes crashing through the front door. But wait for it, the driver is not a human, but a dog. Yep. That's right, folks. Fido decided he had enough of being a passenger and took the wheel, literally. Talk about taking the term drive-thru to a whole new level. I guess this pup had a craving for some fresh baguettes. Or maybe a delicious donut, who can blame him? I bet he just wanted to share the joy of carbs with his furry pals. That's all, my wonderful subscribers. Have an awesome day.